Yo, hello guys, it's Switch here with another friendly reminder of raffle within the Boinkers app. So always when it's going to be a big one, I will try to announce this. So we are going to the Boinkers app. We are pressing the raffle button, which is always in corner, left corner. As you can see, currently we have 16 hours and 30 minutes. And 3 people are going to receive 100 ton. Usually on weekends we are having around 10 people, so just keep that in mind. Saturday and usually Sunday is like a big raffle, but still, yeah, but still it's chance to win. So why not? Why not join the raffle, which is for free? So I'm just adding the tickets. I'm not paying anything for it. It's just totally for free. I already won 2 times. Nothing massive though, but still. Also, I just started like a week ago playing those games, so everything is going to be bigger and bigger eventually. So as you can see, I'm adding the tickets. I'm not spending any money on it. And I already have 84 tickets. That's about it. I have 100 tickets for free, with high hopes of hitting obviously the 100 ton, which will be great. Other than that, 1000 players will receive 35. So it's less than, excuse me, 0.35 ton. It's less than used to be, but they just juggling, they rotating the amounts. So they used to be like half ton, but still, like, those small amounts are actually super crucial to understand to begin with. Why? Because majority of apps, if you want to qualify it for airdrop and you don't have the exchange, or you don't want to fuck around with the exchange, so you don't have to. It's like you don't need any ID. Like, you don't need to be 18 years old. You don't need any exchange. You're just simply going to press create the wallet, and that wallet is going to be created automatically within the Telegram app, and then you can just basically move your assets / resources which you're going to win to that wallet, and then you can transfer to different or any different app. And let's be honest, when you're going to hit like 35, like 0.35, you know, fraction of the ton, you just basically want to allocate this to the different app. You don't necessarily want to spend within this app. You just want to figure it out what kind of apps you can use for basically sustain income with the sustain seasonal airdrops, which on this channel obviously you will learn, because I will do the monthly reviews and I'm going to be the a full-time streamer YouTuber soon. I guess I'll be starting my journey within Web3 industry, gaming, crypto gaming, like I think next month. So if somebody wanna obviously follow me, that's gonna be great. If somebody has some question, that's going to be great as well, because I want to connect with people who are going to play games on Web3. Well, it's basically on Telegram on the Ton ecosystem. So that's it for now, guys. One more thing about different game app, which you will have benefit from it, is a Toygers. So I'm like super excited about 3 programs, 3 apps. One of these apps is the Boinkers, which you've seen it, just simply because they're doing fuckloads of free raffles, and it's amazing because at some point everybody will hit some ton, and if you're going to hit 100 ton, that's gonna maybe not going to change your life, but if you're smart and you can allocate those resources to like different apps, you will make some profit on definitely on monthly basis from that. So another app which I'm super excited at, it's the Toygers. Be super fast with it, but I'm actually going to talk probably 5 minutes about it. But like, first thing first, like, why it's so exciting? Because they give you fuckloads of stuff for free, and it's not a raffle, it's just for free, basically, by spinning the wheel. And they didn't announce yet when they're going to give you that stuff, but you will receive high quality stuff such as hats, hoodies, jewelry, candle sets, other toys, not toys which you can buy it here for money. They will just basically give you the rewards judging your score. So as you can see, I have 4 million points and I'm just grinding this crazy every day, just simply because they announced already on their X account and on the Telegram account, and I will be announcing this as well. So yeah, just start spinning that shit because the company, it's global. They already have partnerships with like 5 or 6 or 8 countries. I don't remember from the top of my head, but like I said, I will be doing, I might even end up doing daily newses from this company because I just were fucking excited about this project, and I see their vision already. Like if you came across this project or you have no fucking clue, just dive again into that, or just dive first time and just fucking do it. So yeah, you will have the points, and those points you'll be able to buy stuff, and there's much more things to happen. They will release the game which you can use those points within this game. Apparently the game is going to combine our real world with the game, so I don't know, maybe it will be something you can scan, I don't know, something in your home, and I have no idea, but apparently it's going to be huge. Another thing to just keep mind on this is like you can access the tab, which this tab will give you the access to unlocking the toy builder, and you see right now on the screen here. So how to access this is like you need to spend 20 days. So every day after 24 hours you need to visit this tab, you need to press access again, and after 20 of days doing that, that will basically that window will be unlocked, and then every day you will have sustained income by doing fuck all, because that will grant you 10,000 points on daily basis. So like 24 hours without clicking, or maybe we will need to click. Either way, it's going to be a passive income, which is crazy because you be able to stake that points as well to even go farther. But that will unlock as well the toy builder, so you'll be able to build your own brand toy, which I'm looking forward to. So I wish to build Switch to Pro build or Switchback Gaming, or maybe both, because I have the vision to create actually free channels and free websites. So this one is Switch to Pro, about the Web3 gaming, and obviously AI courses like for beginners, and maybe we will go farther from that, like higher beginner, higher course, but we'll see. Currently, like I'm super excited about playing the games on the Web3. So I just want to keep this here. I have idea to create another channel, which is going to be much more about like Discord community and podcasts about Web3 development, programs, games, miners, everything what's happening, what's good to play, what's going to be consistent, to have the consistent airdrops. Like Hamster game, by the way, like it's the airdrop on 26th of September, and that's gonna be like seasonal airdrop. So that's another game which I'm super excited about this, but I'm not gonna talk about this right now. You actually have a playlist on my channel, so you can check that. So yeah, this is fucking amazing, and I just want to be, well, I am the part of this, and I just want you to understand how big it's going to be, and just be a part of this as well. Thank you much, guys, to use my referral. As you can see, the 6 people actually add me, and I also invest money, despite I don't have any, but I just get the fucking I'm unemployed right now, but I hope I will have a job next month to go, because fucking struggle right now. But that's not the story. The story is I decide to test and buy fucking toy, which is right now like super expensive to me, but I will get 20,000 points on daily basis from that. But why I'm telling you that, because yeah, you can buy the toy and you can have the monthly staking reward from this. So you can go to my collection tab. I'm unlocking something, I don't even know what's that. This unlock window looks the same every day, so I just need to wait for announcement. Then toy, I have the toy, but I don't wanna have a physical toy because you can stake this. Oh, and you can actually see right now. So I'm just going to collect 20,000 points, which is great. And I'm not going to do anything. I don't want to unstake and redeem. There's a button below. You can't see this, but there's a button which telling you unstake and redeem, and then they will send you this toy to your address. Yeah, I just basically want to stake this. Also, with that being said, like I just have one toy from the Boinkers because I like the Boinkers. Also, I wish to buy next month. Well, as soon as possible. I just need to go to work, guys, and I just want to buy one toy, like each, because they're not really that expensive. Like if you're going to work, it's like fuck all, to be honest with you. I used to spend on one Magic the Gathering card more than price of all those toys combined. So yeah, if you collectible person, you wanna dive into that project, you wanna buy those toys, you wanna stake them, you wanna make mad like fuckloads of points, and those points will give you access to buying future stuff, to getting giveaways, to just the world of opportunities, because this brand, the vision of this brand is to do everything what possibly humans beings, we people need, and they just want to make it. So for argument's sake, we might end up to buying the fucking vacuum cleaners or whatever. It just, this brand is going to be fucking massive. Their vision is massive. They just want to basically hook you with the app/program so you can make points, and basically it's going to be fucking Amazon but within one app. Imagine that. And you can actually buy everything for free, or either you have to spend some time to grind. But if you will be buying the toys and staking them, you will basically have a point. So I see the vision. I want to invest this year into that, as much money as possible. Well, we'll see about that, but I think the project is great and you will be highly rewarded for your basically efforts. Then you have the order tab. You can obviously connect your wallet, which you're creating for free, and then you can see $77. I have one toy. Hopefully that's going to happen, to having much more toys. And also that video I will do separate soon, because this project is fucking massive and it's amazing and you're supposed to be a part of this. And then you have the game Bumps, which is like third project. I'm really excited about this, and I'm excited about this because we can create our food, our society, on obviously my channel, because that's the idea, to network with people who are going to play the games and to support each other within those games. So I definitely will support you by giving you free rewards on my channel from the obviously the Toygers, because at the end of the day you will use my referral, so I will have a percentage value points of what you grind. It's going to be 9% from whatever you're going to do on daily basis, and those small amounts will combine to big amount, and I'm just hoping to obviously receive some goodies, and I will basically, those goodies is going to be for you guys. Like I'm just going to keep like one of each, and then I'm just going to do free giveaways. And if I will receive some premium stuff, then I will do the premium giveaway, because obviously I'm not gonna give you like a $100 toy for free. I might do, like, don't get me wrong, it's like I'm not the stingy fuck. Like I will have fuckloads of stuff, I will do fuckloads of free giveaways, but obviously I will just wanna do like a premium giveaways as well. So obviously you will need to support me on the coffee channel. But That's probably going to be like a year from now. I don't know when, but I will announce this. Another stuff I really want to quickly mention about this is the BAM game, and basically just go through my fucking referral link, join my hoodie, and I will support you within that game, and you can support everybody who will join us basically by spending 10 stars per 24 hours. And the fun part is like, we don't need to spend all together. We can just spend, like, let's say it's going to be 500 people in our community, our game, and then like one person per 24 hours can spend 10 stars to boost our basically mining, which I will be doing like next month. Like I said, I hope I will get a job next month, and then I will just basically support you with all those free games and much more to come on this channel. So yeah, thank you much guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. I obviously doing like lots of AI for beginners tutorials, because I just start my journey within the AI tutorials within the gaming industry again. As a 35 years, I used to play games, but right now I just realized, fuck me, the indie games are cool. Maybe we can make profit from it, and so we'll see this year how it's going to be. But definitely, the having the fun is the most important part. So, Toygers already having a fun, Bumps are having the fun, and Boinkers are having the fun because we can win something. On top of that, I'm playing already around like 15 to 20 apps, running like 10 miners on the laptop. On the desktop, I'm playing around 10-15 apps, and then I'm playing another 5 on the tablet. The main idea and goal is to gather as much as possible apps which I'm enjoying, so it's not just random apps. I'm testing the apps on daily basis. I'm adding them. Everything what you see in my description below, I'm playing, and there's going to be much more to come. So I wish guys to be a part of my channel, to be a part of my journey, and we're just going to figure it out how much possibly we can earn from airdrops this year and another years to come in the future. So thank you much guys one more time for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care and bye for now.